These are the supplies you will need to season your griddle. First, wipe down your griddle with a damp towel. Next, fire up all your burners to high. Let the griddle sit for 10 to 15 minutes to heat up or until the griddle darkens. Once your griddle top is dark, you can add some oil. Use paper towels to spread the oil around. Remember to use caution when the griddle is on, as it can be very hot. We recommend using tongs or wearing protective gloves when seasoning your griddle. Make sure to get all the way around the griddle. The oil will eventually begin to smoke, which is good. You can repeat this process as many times as you want, but after the second or third time, your griddle should be pretty well seasoned. Once you've completed this process, you'll have the perfect griddling surface to get cooking on.